Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are well at your home. I'm also fine here. So I have come here with a new activity for you. Okay, so what is that activity? Let me tell you. I have one thing with me. You can see this very interesting thing. What is this? Can you tell me what is this? It is a balloon. Okay, yellow color balloon. Okay, what is inside this balloon? uh, Air is present inside this balloon. Okay, you definitely know this thing. Okay, because I blow air into it, then only it blow. Okay, now what I will do, okay, it's a very dangerous thing. Don't try it at your home, okay, alone. Always try these things in front of your parents or guardian, whomsoever adult is there with you. Try with them only. Okay, don't try it alone. So what we will do, I have a candle with me. You can see this candle? Yes. Now I will blow this candle. Okay. I like this candle. Yes. Maybe it takes some time. No, it will not take time. It will definitely light it up. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so you can see, and this balloon, if I hold this balloon on this fire, can you tell me what will happen? I know everybody will tell that it will get burst. Okay, so let's see whether it is bursting or not. Okay, now I am putting it on this fire. Okay, but remember this thing, don't try it alone. Try in front of your parents or guardian always. Okay, I'm just showing it to you. Okay, very interesting. It's having fun. Okay, have fun. Okay, if I put it on this fire, let's see what happens. Blown. Okay, now I will light the candle again with the help of these things only. No, it will not happen. You can see this happens. Okay, now I have another balloon. Okay, but this balloon is filled with water. You can see balloon is filled with water. You can see the water. Okay, you can see the water filled with water. Now if I put this balloon on the fire, then what will happen? Whether it will burst or whether it will not burst. Okay, let's see. Let me put it on the fire. Now tell me, first that balloon, when I put it on fire, within 1 or 2 seconds get burst. Okay, but this balloon I put it for 5 seconds, then also it does not burst. Okay, now I will put it for some more time and see whether it is bursting or not. If I count almost 10 seconds, almost 15 seconds done, 20 seconds, now it is almost 30 seconds, then also it didn't burst. Why it has happened so? And you will find some interesting thing. The black thing you can see. Okay, what is this? This is known as soot. Okay, the carbon that has been burned, this wax is burning, the carbon is coming out, that carbon is deposited here, and this is known as soot. Okay, and this balloon is not burst. Why it is not bursting? Can you tell me why it is not bursting? Because this water is cold, and this water is taking the heat, and it is not allowing the balloon to heat up and burn and to get burst. Okay, so that's why this water is taking the heat. All the heat has been taken up by the water, and when this balloon will burst, when this water will get heat up, it will boil. After that, this balloon will come to that temperature. When it will get burst, it will burn, then only this balloon will burst. Otherwise this balloon will not burst. Okay, the water is present. That is the thing. Okay, and this balloon, now I can say this balloon as a fire resistance balloon. Okay, and this is the only process, only way. This is the only, is not the only way I can say. This is the uh, theory, or this is the principle behind making the fireproof things. Okay, so now I have made a fireproof balloon. You can make it at your home, the fireproof balloon. Okay, so thank you all of you, and have fun.